double by 2050. That's if current trends persist. This is according to a report released by the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF. The report was handed at the two-day African Union Summit in Zambia, which is aimed at finding ways of ending child marriage on the continent. The AU launched a campaign earlier this year to end child marriage.
The report states that Africa would overtake South Asia as the region with the largest number of child brides. The number is expected to soar to 310 million, more than 40% of the global total in 2015 from 125 million. The minimum legal marriage age is 15 in most African countries. UNICEF says 1 in 3 African girls are married before they're 18 years old, most commonly in poor rural families, which often receive a bride price or dowry in exchange for their daughter. The proportion of young women in Africa who are married before the age of 18 has dropped to 34% from 44% in 1990. UNICEF says it is also important to increase girls' access to reproductive health services so that they can have safer pregnancies and break the cycle of poverty. According to the report, child brides are more likely to die as a result of pregnancy and childbirth, and to be beaten, raped or infected with HIV by their husbands than women who marry later. Children born to teenage mothers have a higher risk of being stillborn, dying soon after birth, and having low birth weight. UNICEF says African governments also need to make sure that more girls' births are registered so that their age is known, and to enforce laws prohibiting child marriage.